Hello again. I'm Dr. Nunez with Living Health. This is a series on how lifestyle, the choices you make in living your life, can impact your health and well-being. It's a series on how little things, little choices you make, changes you can adjust, and how you live your life can impact your health status. And today, I wanted to return to the subject of weight loss and weight management for health benefit. If you like these kinds of videos, please press the subscribe button, press the thumbs up, and press the little bell. It does help us. You can comment below if you want to see us discussing other subjects or areas of interest too. So I want to return to the subject of weight loss today. There was a fascinating study published in the New England Journal of Medicine early in February 2021, just recently, on semaglutide, which is a drug that's typically used in the treatment of diabetes. It's marketed here in the United States as Ozempic. It's injectable. You inject it under the skin in the subcutaneous fat once a week. And now this study used a high dose, a pretty high dose, higher than we typically see in the treatment of diabetes. And it was a study specifically for weight loss to see how effective it is to reduce weight. Now, semaglutide, Ozempic, has been known to reduce appetite, and it has several effects in the way it does that. But the study showed that over a 68-week period, they had a lot of success in weight reduction. Now, it wasn't just the use of semaglutide. In the study, they describe also lifestyle, how lifestyle in conjunction with semaglutide can achieve these results. Now, I caution you, you shouldn't be entertaining using these medications just because there's one study. It's a limited study. It's only 68 weeks long. You should always be under the supervision of a physician when entertaining these kinds of things. But I wanted to bring it up because it's been covered in the news, and I know people are asking about it and talking about it. Now, the study, as I want to emphasize, is semaglutide and lifestyle modification. Now, when you look at the protocol, and I'm linking the study below, you can see the New England Journal of Medicine link below that goes to the study. They published a protocol. Now, it's not very specific, the recommendations they made for lifestyle modification. It's basically reduction in calories and increasing physical activity. So it's not very specific on that end. The study was more emphasis on, well, what is the effect of this medication? So what I want to emphasize is that lifestyle component. It's been documented in other areas that if you deploy something like a whole foods, plant-based program, that you can achieve great weight loss. The other limitation of this study too is that it's only 68 weeks long, and I've mentioned in other videos on weight loss how important it is that weight loss be sustainable and be something you can achieve long-term where the weight remains off to really get those health benefits. So a 68-week study isn't really long enough to give us that information. I'm sure there'll be more studies coming forth given the positive results that they achieved in this initial study. But I really like to see studies going past even 2 years. This study didn't go to 2 years, but when you're looking at weight loss, I would look further out to 5 years to see if that weight really is kept off, to see what long-term effects there might be. And that's where lifestyle management comes in. If you could tweak your lifestyle, adjust your nutrition, your physical activity, your stress levels, your sleep, all these things can contribute to your managing your weight. And managing your weight can have a lot of health benefits, especially in diabetes, high blood pressure, cholesterol, and those kinds of things, other than reduce your risk of heart disease going forward as well. So what lifestyle modifications can you do? Well, on the nutrition end, the whole foods, plant-based program does seem to help. Doesn't mean that you have to become a vegan or a vegetarian, or you have to start excluding food groups, or you have to feel like you're deprived. If you feel in any kind of lifestyle management program that you're deprived, that you're probably going down the wrong path. That's not the objective. The objective here is that you feel good, that you feel better, that you feel really well, happy, so that you can keep the changes going into the future, into the long term. In the whole food, plant-based program, usually you can get enough fiber naturally through whole foods that are plant-based, and you can achieve reduction as a result in some of your calorie intake if you're careful, and that can lead to some benefits with weight loss that are sustainable into the future. So making healthy nutrition choices are a big component of the weight loss. The other areas that you can't ignore in lifestyle are stress management, reducing your stress so that you don't stress eat or look for comfort foods and things like that, which tend to be high in calories, unfortunately. Also, your physical activity, so that you can maintain weight loss into the future. Physical activity tends to be important too. Physical activity contributes to stress reduction as well many times. And then sleep, another big component. If you're not getting enough sleep, regular sleep, that can have an impact on your eating more calories, on your nutrition, and have an adverse impact on your ability to maintain weight loss. So I wanted to bring that full circle. The study that was published in the New England Journal of Medicine was very promising for that medication. It's just an initial study. I wouldn't overemphasize that. I would place more emphasis on what you can do yourself, and that is lifestyle, how you can manage that, how you can tweak that to get that weight loss, keep it going, feel happy, not feel deprived, and maintain a better sense of well-being. Again, if you like these kinds of videos, if you want to hear more, please press subscribe, press the little bell for notification, and the thumbs up. Until next time, thank you very much. Bye-bye.